In this lecture, we are going to animate the slide 3. Before animation, I would like to change these yellow dot alignments near these circles so that it gives a clean look. And this is just my preference. You can keep it like before itself too. There's no problem. Now let's copy the animation effects from the previous slide because that's easy and it's look a bit different when applied to different sets of shapes or structure. So that's not an issue here. Let's click on this fragment, go to animations, animation painter, and click on our first cube. Let's change the effect to from right. Let's open the animation pane. These animation effects that are already available here is because we have copied these rectangles from slide 1. So those animation effects are already available here. So let's play it once and check whether we need to change anything. Okay, let's move this rectangle 1 to top. Actually, these rectangles have the same effect, that is fly in from right, and we can apply the same effect to these rectangles too. So you can just leave it or add the fly in entrance effect and the effect options to from right, and then start after previous trigger option. Timing is 0.5 and the effect is smooth start of 0.5 seconds and bounce end of 0.15 seconds. After animating these rectangles, we need to add the wipe animation effect, which is also already there since we have copied it from slide 2. But as a small change, we need to change the direction to from right. Let's change it. So by default, all these animations are already there and it's working perfectly. We just need to change the direction of these texts. But in case, if you wonder how to apply them again, then let me show you how much easy it is with the animation painter button. Let me delete these animation effects by using delete key. I'm going to copy the animation effect from this rectangle because it has got the fly in effect from right. So I don't even need to change the direction. So let me click it, double click on animation painter, come to slide 3 and paste it on all 4. That's it. Press escape key to cancel this animation painter. Now come to slide 2, select this group, single click on animation painter, come to slide 3 and click subheading 1. Let's move it beneath rectangle 1, change the effect options to from right. Now double click animation painter and select all these 3 groups. Press escape key and then reorder them. Each group beneath each rectangle. That's it. Now let's play a final preview along with the slideshow. That's it. We have completed the animation process of slide 3. In the next lecture, you will learn how to duplicate a slide.